Stop by and take a look at the 2021 X7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.